This is how to start blogging. Then if you want to start blogging, in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to start your own blogging by yourself. Then all you have to do is follow this video, share, comment, and share to others so that the person can see it, how to do it. Then let's go. Come to your Google and type this Google Blogger. Then make sure that it's this one that has this logo. Then make sure it's this one. Then when you type Google bloggers, make sure it's this one you are going to select because there are so many other bloggers. See it here, but make sure it's this one. All you have to do is click it. Now when you click it, you will see this interface. Then what you are going to type, type your title of that your blog, the name you want your blog to has. Then let me select keypad. See ya. Then you're going to select the address, the URL of that your blog, the link of that your blog. Then you're going to select the name of that address of that your blog. Then let me type the same thing I type. Okay. This name is not available. Okay, the name is available. Then here you have to do is what? After you have finished now, you click save. Then after you have finished typing, click save. Then it's processing. Wait, we are going to wait for a minute. It's processing now. Your blog have created. Then this is the place you are going to monetize your blog. You'll be monetize your blog. Then for you to write a blog post, you come to ChatGPT. Then let me come to ChatGPT. Now when you come to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT. Then before you start a blog post, make sure you select a niche you want to use. You are going to select a niche. After you have selected that your niche, then you come to ChatGPT. Then I'm going to use football news as my niche. Then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a blog post about a football. Then let me see. Let me type it. Let me type it. Create a blog post about a football. ChatGPT will highlight the article. Name this one here. This is your head one. There is something we call head one, head two, head three. Then this one is head one. Let me do it for you. You see this thing? This thing is head one. This is called head one in any blog post. Then you see this one. This one is head two. We have head three, we had head four. Then after you have selected it, then you copy that your blog post. Let me copy it. After you have copied, you copy it. Then you come to that your blog. Then you come to that your blog. See it. Let me create a new blog. See it. Let me paste it here. See it. Then that head one, I want to select that head one. Then all you have to do is you do it like this. After you have do it like this, then you come here. you come here and select that head. See it here, see it here. Have you seen it? Then let me show you the place you are going to select for that your head one. Then you are going to select this side. Is sorry, you are going to select here. When you press it, it will show you head one, subheading, minor heading. This is the what head one for that your blog, because without head, some readers cannot understand what your blog is all about. Then let me select this head too. Let me look for that head too. Then see it here. I'm going to select. I'm going to make it head too. See it here. Have you seen it here? This is what you are going to do for that or your heading. This is how to start a blog post. Then after you have do it everything, after you have finished writing everything, all you have to do is write a title. Ask ChatGPT to write a title for now. Write a title, a SEO title. Now, have you seen it? ChatGPT has generate all the title for that your blog. Then you are going to select the one you like. Let me select this one first. Then let me copy it. Let me come to my blog. Let me come to my blog. I'm going to paste that title to that my blog title. See it, let me paste it here. Have you seen it? I have pasted it. After you have do everything, all you have to do this is where you're going to click. Then and publish your blog. Then you click it. You publish your blog already. See it here. Then after everything, then if you want to monetize your blog, all you have to do is you go to earning. Then make sure you have AdSense account. If you don't have AdSense account, create a new AdSense account using your Google email. Then after you have create a Google AdSense account, you are going to place here. If you place here, it automatically connect that AdSense account already. This is how so many bloggers are making money. Then if you want to know everything about this session, then all you have to do is follow me for more, because I will be dropping updates about